Okay, whatever. Sir, what we were talking, we got disconnected in between. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Now we will be very quickly scanning for 5 minutes. I have next class. So just I want to tell you what you have to look for in the exam. Sir, you should be familiar with this name, sir. Which of the following is concentrated by, say, froth flotation? They give bauxite, cryolite, pyrolusite, and finally they give zinc blend, which is concentrated by froth flotation. Pyrolusite is MnO2. It cannot be concentrated by froth flotation. Froth flotation is only for sulfide ores. Bauxite cannot be concentrated by froth flotation. And zinc blend is ZNS that can be concentrated by froth flotation. This type of question you can answer only if you know some of the words. At least you should know following words: hematite, magnetite, iron pyrites, copper glans, malachite, azurite, zinc blend, calamine, bauxite, cryolite, feldspar, pyrolusite, limestone, fluorspar, dolomite, magnesite, cornelite, galena, cerussite, cinnabar. At least these few you should know: argentite, horn silver, cassiterite. At least these words you should know. Levitation or gravity separation is used for concentrating which words? Magnetic separation is used for concentrating which words? Froth flotation is what? What is the depressant and why it is so important? In leaching, the steps involved in extraction of aluminum, in concentration of aluminum ore, leaching related to oxygen 1248 reaction, leaching related to gold 1248 reaction. Okay. You should know how to extract crude metals involving steps, calcination examples, roasting examples. Then you should see what is, don't need to study all the details of extraction of sodium, magnesium, calcium, but it is enough to notice that the electropositive metals of first group, second group aluminum are obtained by electrolytic reduction of their molten salts. There should not be any water, because if the water is there, NaCl in presence of water cannot give sodium. Therefore, aqueous solutions are unfit to electrolyze to get metals from salts of first group, second group, and aluminum, etc. What is water gas? Mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen, that is a reducing agent. What is Goldschmidt aluminum process, where aluminum is the reducing agent reactions involved? Self-reduction examples. There are 3-4 examples. Copper undergoes self-reduction, mercury undergoes self-reduction, lead undergoes self-reduction in their extractions. Extraction or refining, what is liquefaction, what is distillation, where it is used. Vapor phase refining, Van Arkel method, Mond's process, electrolytic refining. Whenever you give one Faraday charge, always one equivalent weight of metal is produced in electrolytic production. One equivalent weight means atomic weight by valency. For example, one Faraday current can give 9 grams of aluminum. It can give 31.75 grams of copper. Always one Faraday current gives one equivalent weight of any metal. Types of furnaces is being discussed. Blast furnace is presented, reverberatory furnace is presented. Ellingham diagram is a diagram for variation of a delta G value with temperature for a reaction of 1 mole of O2 with any particular substance. The rule of the game is anything that is there in the bottom will go in the forward direction when compared with anything that is there in top position, right side. For example, when magnesium plus oxygen gives MgO is in bottom position, aluminum plus oxygen gives Al2O3 in the top position. Bottom magnesium reacts with the top Al2O3 and reduces Al2O3 to aluminum. That is a concept which you should have. Generally, see the trend of the lines, they are going up, except for carbon monoxide. The Ellingham diagram provides an idea which can be a good reducing agent. Okay? The Ellingham diagrams have many limitations too. You should know the schematic extraction of iron from its hematite. You should know various reactions according to the diagram given in the text. Okay, no need to worry about other details of iron and steel. No need to learn about unnecessary things which are not given in the NCERT. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You should know a rough idea of metallurgical extraction of copper. You should know what is blister copper, how it is refined electrolytically. You can have very quick idea of extraction of silver 1248 reaction. You should have a rough idea of extraction of aluminum, Bayer's process. Notice there are many processes in the extraction of aluminum. All are not specified in your book. If you want, you can read them once. If the bauxite is having sand as impurity, it is called white bauxite. White bauxite is having impurity of SiO2. Red bauxite is having impurity of Fe2O3. Generally, white bauxite is purified by Serpex process, whereas red bauxite is purified by your Hall Herald process. You need to be familiar with these names if you are very particular. Red bauxite is for Bayer's process. Serpex process is for white bauxite. Red bauxite has iron oxide as impurity and white bauxite has sand as impurity. For red bauxite, Bayer's process. For white bauxite,
Sir, not able to hear you, sir. Now, some problem. Yes, sir, not able to hear.
Hello? Sir, how many minutes back we got disconnected? I was speaking in air. My God.
Sir,
How
2
many
minutes
minutes back we got disconnected? Hello?
3 minutes, I think, sir.
My God. I was telling you what you have to look in this chapter. You try to do as many questions as possible, mainly from Bellingham diagrams. Also, which is used, purified by zone refining, what is the Mons process, what is meant by electrolytic refining. Also, be familiar with the reactions in blast furnace at different temperature zones. Most important in this chapter is froth flotation. Generally read the textbook. Nothing is asked which is not there in the book. Only NCERT book is enough. But in the material I have given a little extra information. What is white bauxite having sand as impurity, how it is purified. It is purified by Serpex process. What is red bauxite that has Fe2O3 as impurity, how it is purified by its process. So like that, there are some informations. First read the NCERT, then try to read the content of the material I have sent. Do mainly questions from level 3 and level 4. If you work, this lesson is easiest. Okay, sir. I think we can't spare more time for this lesson than this. We have to work. You have any doubts, sir? Hello? Hello?
So this polling,
What is your doubt, sir?
this polling method, no sir, polling method for
I could not hear you. Come again.
He's asking about polling method, sir.
He is asking about?
Polling method that you explained.
Polling is a method where impure metal is mixed with green wooden poles. When you mix with green wooden poles, you will be getting hydrocarbons which are evolved from the pole or wooden rod. The hydrocarbons will reduce the oxides. Therefore, impure oxide will become metal. Iron oxide can become iron, copper oxide can become copper. Any impurity which is there as oxide or sulfide reduced by, hello?
yes sir.
By that mixing with green wooden pole. Freshly cut a wooden piece from any tree, it will be a green wooden pole. Mainly copper is purified in that poling process. But nowadays, nobody is using that. Only they are using electrolytic refining. Okay. But read the lesson. It is one of the easiest lessons. No particular hardness. Okay, sir. Now we will make a review of next week. I plan to make a review of what we have done so far. So far, we have done number 1, halogen derivatives of organic chemistry. What is the scope of that? P block elements, that is 15th group, 16th group, 17th group, 18th group. And we have done metallurgy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we make a review of what we have done next week as quickly as possible. Then probably we go to solid state. Is that fine with you, sir? Hello?
Yes sir.
What is the first chapter we see? That first chapter, if it is solid state, otherwise solutions. First, we have to make a review. So you don't have any doubts, I hope. But read the lesson thoroughly, prepare for the exam. I wish you all the best.